today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide duration in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a video, or even a digital invitation, controlling the timing of each slide can make all the difference in how your project flows and how effectively it communicates your message. First, navigate to the Canva website and log into your account. Open the design you want to modify or start a new project if you're working from scratch. Within Canva, each project is made up of slides or pages, and these are the key units you'll control to determine how long each piece of content is displayed. Next, find the slide or page you want to adjust and click on it to select it. Once it's opened, look for the timer icon, usually located at the top of the editing panel. Clicking this allows you to modify how long the slide plays in your presentation or video. When the timer settings appear, you can either use the slider or type in the number of seconds manually. Think carefully about pacing. Too fast, and your viewers might miss important details. Too slow, and they might lose interest. Try to strike a balance that keeps your audience engaged but informed. Remember, consistency is key, especially if multiple slides have similar visuals. But if a slide contains a lot of information or needs extra emphasis, don't hesitate to give it a few extra seconds. Once you've set the durations, preview your project to see exactly how your audience will experience it. Click the play button or use the preview option within Canva and take note of any slides that feel too fast or too slow. Make adjustments as needed until the timing feels just right. When you're happy with the flow, finalize your project. You can save it for future edits, share it directly through Canva, or download it in your preferred format to present or upload elsewhere. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to control slide duration in Canva. Paying attention to timing can make your presentations more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.